we are asked to solve this using the Pascal's triangle. Can you? Let's see. The first thing you need to do, use Pascal's triangle. How do you do that? You first of all write this triangle, 1, 1, 1. The 1, this plus this is 2, then 1. This is 1, this plus this is 3, 3, 1. Okay? Then 1 again, this plus this is 4, 6, 4, 1. Because after this one I solve 4, I will stop here because what we are having here is 4. The second one determines when you stop. Okay? So I stop. So now, if I want to solve this, very simple. It simply means this raised to the power 4 is equal to, all you have to do, you use this as the coefficient. We have two groups here, that is 1 versus 1 over 4x. Remember, this 1 over 4x can also be written as s over 4. It means these are the two groups we are dealing with. Okay? So therefore, first of all, we're going to start with this one. 1 is the coefficient. Then this first one is 1. So you can see here, the second one is s over 4. That is that. Then you write the second one, which is this 4, plus 4. Then you repeat the same thing. That is 4, 1, s over 4. Then the next one is 6. 6, 1, s over 4. The next one is 4. 4, 1, s over 4. Lastly is 1. 1, 1, s over 4. Okay? Once you are through with this step, the next step is to start from this first guy with 4. Okay? That is 4. Continue to reduce the 4. Okay? That is 4, 3, 2. Continue to reduce. 1, then 0. Then you come back to this second guy with 0. Start with 0. Then continue to increase it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That is all. The next thing now is just to solve. It means 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And also, this is raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is also 1. It means this first guy will produce 1. Plus 1 raised to power anything is 1. Multiplied by 1, this raised to power 1 is the same thing. Multiplied by s over 4. This and this will cancel. It means s will remain here. S will remain here. Then we continue. The second guy. This is like the third one. This will produce 1. 1 raised to power 2 is 1. This is s squared all over 4 raised to power 2, which is 16. Okay? 2 here is 3. 2 here is 8. That is, this multiplied by this will give us 3 s squared all over this 8. That is what we are going to put here. 3 s squared all over 8. Okay? Then we continue with this one. What will this produce for us? That is 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by s raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3 is what? 64. Okay, 4 here 1. 4 here is 16. It means s raised to power 3 over 16. So that is what we are going to put here now. That is plus s raised to power 3 over 16. Finally, we go for the last one, which is this altogether will produce 1 multiplied by s raised to power 4 over 4 times 4 times 4 in 4 places. That is 16 times 16. That is 256. It means it's s raised to power 4 over 256. That is what we are going to put here next. That is plus s raised to power 4 over 256. So that is the answer, okay? This is the answer.